What's up, guys? Johnny here, and I got another exciting video for you today. In today's video, we're going to talk about a company called Etsy, or ticker symbol ETSY. This company is up 320% in the past year, and it's also up 2,700% in 5 years. You could have bought this company for $7 not long ago. So we're going to go over recent news. I guess there's a tweet about Elon Musk liking Etsy. We're going to go over max charts and some of the financials of this company. And we're also going to go over the street rating and why I think that this is still a strong buy, even though it's up 300% for the year. People are saying it's overbought, but I think it's a great opportunity to buy this great company today. So, Etsy, who is it? What is it? Before I talk about it, smash that like button because it's the only thing I ask of you. I will never sell you anything. I do not have courses. I'm just a guy who really likes stocks and I like talking about it. So smash that like button and let's get started. So, Etsy, it's up $205. Now, 88% of analysts are saying it's a buy. That's incredible. And why? Because it is. Etsy is one of those like consumer services and retails. They're based out of New York. And if you haven't heard of Etsy, they are basically like this huge online marketplace. And like you could make or design different items and then sell them on Etsy almost in a way like eBay or Amazon. Now, the CEO is Joshua Silverman. They have 1,200 employees and they're headquartered in New York. They were founded in 2005, and not much later, they had an IPO for this company. Talk about tremendous growth to start a company from nothing and then have an IPO into the stock market and now have a $200 a share stock price, which is pretty awesome. Now the market cap is 26 billion, so they have a lot of money to play with, guys. They have a PE ratio of 118, which is a bit high from my perspective, but you won't think it's so high once I tell you what their target price is for this year. Now, their average volume is 4.26 million, which means a lot of people know about this company. You probably even heard of this company, but maybe you never thought about trading it. Or maybe you're trading it right now. So, supposedly Elon Musk tweeted this. Not supposedly, he did. He tweeted that I kind of love Etsy. Well, of course, okay, Elon Musk said that. Let me get some action. So, it did rise in the market today. It was up about 8%, 9% pre-market. It shot up $18. Now, that is fantastic, although it completely went back to normal at 205, actually losing $4 from all that momentum. Now, not only that, the company is down about 8% for the week, but up 13% for the month, up 50% in 3 months, and they're up 320% in 1 year, and then, of course, at 2,700 in 5 years. So, what exactly is going on? Well, Elon Musk said that he liked Etsy. Musk tweeted about the e-commerce site, adding that he bought a hand-knit wool Marvin the Martian helm for his dog, which is what's so cool about Etsy in general. It really does have kind of those niche little things where you can get lost in it, like Wish, where you just get lost in looking at all the different stuff that Wish has. But this company, it's so much more personal because you can find these handcrafted pieces. And I mean, how do you put a price on something that's handcrafted or one of a kind? Is really tremendous to me. Well, Etsy share price went up to 9%. Of course, like I said, it went down. So not much going on with Elon Musk, but he did quote that he did kind of like it. So that is really cool. Now, max chart here going back all the way to April 2015 looks like they were at about $27, went down to $8, and for a couple of years it looks like you could have got it from the $9 to $20 mark. It didn't start getting momentum until about 2018 and 2019 when it shot up to $60, and then actually coming back down into the 40s and then into the past 30s. So from March 16th, 2020, it's gone from $31 all the way up to $204, which is actually pretty tremendous. Now, their EPS is not showing on here, but that's okay, and they don't have a dividend, but their PE ratio is saying it's about 109. Not bad. Now, what does the street have to say about this? Well, the street is, of course, one of my favorite things to get on. I love Jim Cramer. I love all the different videos that he makes. And if you love Jim Cramer too, smash the like button. Also, if you like this video, definitely smash that like button. But I like these ratings because this one was rated, let's see, January 24th, 2021 right there. And so that was just a couple of days ago on Etsy Inc. Now they have a B for buy, and this is why I also agree that this is a strong buy. Now they do not pay a dividend, which is something that I love, but they have a target price right now, as you can see here where the mouse clicker is, that they have a target price of $278. What? That's almost $280 off of $205 if you were to invest today. Now, that is pretty tremendous. Also, their performance over the last quarter for growth, they're up 128% in revenues, 519% in net income, and their earnings per share last quarter was $4.83, and that's where you get the $119 for the 12-month period. Now, their net income was 119, and their revenues was 84% for 12-month period. What does that mean? Well, it means that there's a lot of positive factors that contribute to this company. And not only do they have a robust revenue growth, notable return on equity, and expanding profit margins, as well as good cash flow from the operation, they also have a solid stock price performance and growth overall. So, I mean, this company is growing its business, and it's also growing its stock price. Some of the highlights right now are going to be that the revenue growth exceeded the subsector average of 40%. Since the same quarter last year, revenues leaped 128%, almost 3 times what the subsector average is. Now, they're powered by its strong earnings growth of 483% and other important driving factors that this stock has surged by 319% over the past year. Now, this has definitely outperformed any S&P 500 index during the same period or stock. 300% in the past year. Imagine if you were invested $1,000, you would now have $3,000 in 1 year. That is just tremendous growth. They also have a bottom line by earnings of 75 cents versus 60 the prior year, and the market expects an improvement in earnings to $2.13 versus the 75 cents currently. Their ROE, or return on equity, exceeded the same quarter 1 year prior, which is pretty amazing. And a few other notes here. Etsy is extremely favorable compared to the other leading competitors like eBay, BKNG, JD, and a few others. Now, I strongly believe that this company is a good performer. It's a good long-term stock, and I do believe eventually they will pay out a dividend. We just have to wait for that. Now, their growth is 5 out of 5 stars. Their total return is 5 out of 5 stars. Efficiency, 5 out of 5 stars. Price volatility is 3.5 out of 5 stars. Solvencies, 3 out of 5 stars. And income, of course, because they don't produce a dividend yet, they're at a 0.5 star out of 5. Not bad. Final thoughts on this company are that with their market cap, their extreme 300% increased growth, as well as their 71% increase in stockholder equity or net worth from the same quarter last year. I think this is an extremely good company to get into right now. And their gross profit margin in general is actually at a 70%, which is just incredible. And the return on equity was around 27%-ish, it looks like, on profitability. Balance sheets are also here if you want to look at those. Debt is very, very low compared to income. And that is why I think this company or Etsy is a strong buy. This is my stock analysis review or my stock, news, stock forecast, whatever you want to call it. But this is definitely a stock I've been interested in, and I have it already on my watch list. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash a like button, and 80% of you are not subscribed to my channel. Subscribe, guys. It takes just a second to hit the subscribe button. And I do a video every single day on the hottest stocks, stocks that pay dividends, and basically all stock related videos. So if you liked this one, please do me a favor and subscribe, hit the like button. You guys have a great day.